Hi Divas, I have a beautiful landscape for you from Diamond Dotz. This one I just couldn't resist. It's called Maria Gern Church from Bavaria. And I cannot wait to show you this one. I ordered it from Michaels.com. Sometimes you cannot get some of these Diamond Dotz paintings unless you order through Michaels.com. And it'd be nice to get commission from them, wouldn't it? For all the times I'm using their name lately, but Michaels.com. Let's pull the goodies out here. Anything else? Nope. Okay. We'll go over that in a moment. This is a Diamond Dotz square kit. Yes, Diamond Dotz does come with squares that I have found out in recent days. Although I have not found squares out in the retail world for Diamond Dotz. I'm rolling it up the opposite way so it lays flat for you to see on the table here. Okay. Diamond Dotz comes with a large folder of instructions in a variety of languages and pictures, in case you want to find that, in case you need the instructions. And it does, let me see, okay. It also offers a website that says diamonddotz.com. I'm not sure. I haven't been up to the website, so I'd like to look at that too. This one came with a little instruction sheet specifically for squares, and it comes in with 2 different tips and a variety of languages. It just says to gently shake the tray to get them all to line up before you try to use them. And start from, it says from the bottom edge of the design. Fill 1 row in at a time, the way this one is doing, and I gotta say that's not the way I do it. I don't fill 1 row in at a time, unless of course it's a color blocking area. But it says leave space in between that and the next diamond, because they don't all because sometimes you need to leave the space in there. They don't butt exactly up against each other. Okay, so this is a fall painting. You can see some of the oranges in the top here. It's got the church in the background. It's got the Bavarian mountains in the back. Isn't that gorgeous? And more of the fall colors. It's got a path in the front. It leads you right up to the church. It's got the white picket fence in the foreground and a pinkish sky in the background. Absolutely beautiful. Maria Gern Church, Bavaria. It is a 67 by 52 centimeters. It's a medium, it's what I would call a medium to large. It's not a giant one, but it is absolutely gorgeous. And I was asked why Diamond Dotz leaves an edge. Here, I want to show you close up what I mean. Here. Come on in. Alright. On the edge, you have some of the printed canvas that sticks out over the glued area. You can see where the grid for the drills is, and then just beyond it, there's some of the picture without the glue on it. I believe they do that so that if you get a canvas, an art canvas, and you want to mount this on an art canvas, they have an edge that you can roll over, the outside edge, and that would be good for that. You'd have some of the painting going around the edge, but not necessarily the drills. Another reason is when you are matting it, when you're putting it in a frame, it gives the frame some space to pinch it in. You don't have the white space right up against it. If your frame was a little bit bigger than the actual painting, you can pinch some of the color within the frame and not maybe mat it all the way up to. You don't have to mat it all the way up to the edge, the sticky edge. Okay? There's no white space left over between the painting and the frame that way. So it depends on the actual fabric size is 75 by 60 centimeters, which is 29.5 inches by 23.6 inches. That's the outside. Let me pull you back again. Okay, that's the outside frame we're talking about. Okay, the actual size of the drill area is smaller. Okay, the image was purchased under license from Shutterstock.com, it says. So there is no particular artist for this one. But it is licensed. It's a legally licensed thing. They have their symbols on both the top left and the bottom right. Well, it's my left now, so it would be top right, bottom left when I turn it around. And it gives the sequence number, the symbol, and these are really big symbols that you can really see. And the Diamond Dotz color number. Now, Diamond Dotz does not have the same color numbers as DMC, as we're used to in other kits. They have their own. But I have a chart that I can give you for free, that if you email me at wandasworkbasket@gmail.com, I can send you the conversion chart for Diamond Dotz colors to DMC color number codes, if you do save your diamonds. That might be handy. And I will email it to you. I will try to link it in the comments below. But if you cannot get it off of my Google Docs, then just email me and I'll send it to you. Alright, the kit that comes with this is a little teal boat with a funnel. And it comes with baggies. It comes with a couple multi-placers, the thick ones, a straightener and a multi-placer. It comes with a clear pen and an orange squishy and a round of wax in a little tub, screw top tub. Now let's look at the drills. I'm going to bring you in again just a little bit so that you can see the colors of the drills. And since they are not DMC color coded, I'm going to show you the backs so that you can really see the colors up close and personal like here. There we go. It's got the browns and the mauves. Mauve. We have a grass green, pink, more mauve. Peaches and greens. This is an AB. This is a green AB. Can you see that? You see the extra sparkle in there? Haha. Let's find out where that one goes. I'm going to cut that one off so that I can show you where that one goes. Especially. Alright. The next set. We had the beginnings of the fall colors, the bright yellows. We have the blues for the walkway and the sunset or sunrise. The browns for some of the trees in here. The reds and dark greens. Let me see. Different shades of green. Shades of blues and pink peaches. Kind of a salmon color there. Bright salmon. More greens. I like the variety of green in here. And the variety of bright oranges and yellows and reds in here. And let's see. And more green for your bottom. For the bottom, the foreground. Some rust and brown. More peach. More mauvey purples. And a tan. Very, very pretty. Alright, let's find out what the symbol is for that AB. I've always found that Diamond Dots have very, very shiny drills. Now, these, are they resin or are they acrylic? I don't see any dimples on these squares. I believe this one in particular is a resin drill. That could be why it's so shiny. That could be why there's no dimples. Resin drills overall are a better fit. They fit next to each other almost perfectly. They are more symmetrical. They have less trash, less mistakes, so to speak, in them. They do not have extra flashing stuck to the edges so that they wouldn't be misshapen. Let's see, the Aurora Borealis ones is A35, so A35, the symbol is the square. Ooh, 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 I see some right away. Okay, I see some right away. These will be in the grass and the tree. And in here, and in here, right in the center of the bottom center of the picture. And in here, some in here. It's all through this center section, scattered in with the grass. And a little bit up in here. A little bit up in here as well. So it's all over the center sections. Are you out as far as you can be? How did that happen? No, you're not. How did that happen? Alright. So all over the center sections. I see some here. Stupid truck. I see some here. I see some in here. Move it over. I have some in here. I have some all around in here. I have a few way at the top here. I have a few in here. Some in here. And some in here. And some down at the bottom. So you have this swath of glistening greens right through from the bottom to the middle. It's at least leading you up the path to the church. And I think it doesn't have any white ABs with it, but I would like to put white ABs in the church because I want that to stand out. And in the roof and the steeple, I think I'm going to put gold in here. I'll leave the browns in the fencing, but in the same symbol up here in the roofs, I think I'm going to put the gold. I have a special rush of gold drills that I'd like to use somewhere. I think that would be perfect for here. And there. Wouldn't that be neat? Okay. Alright, so this is Maria Gern Church, Bavaria. And since some of my people come from Bavarian area, this just really appealed to me. And so the fall colors, it just stood out to me. And I wanted to show you a square Diamond Dots canvas. I hope you like this one. Please join us on Tuesday nights when we gather as a Workbasket community to talk about diamond painting, to tea and talk together about family, about all kinds of things, and about our whip and chats, things like that, things that are going on in the diamond painting community, and current events and such. They are Tuesday nights at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and go on from anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. So please join us and click the bell button next to the like and subscribe while you're down there, and to let you know when other unboxings and other events are coming up. All right, thanks for joining us, Divas. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.